Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really intense clean with me. My house is, I'm not even kidding, it is a disaster right now because I've been on field work for graduate school, and so I haven't had any time in the day to literally do anything. So it's been a wreck, but I've just had to live with it so I could get through my schoolwork. But I'm officially on my 1 week of summer break I get in grad school, so I'm really excited I have time to put forth some effort into my home. So I have a lot to do and I wanted to bring you guys along. And if you haven't seen my last video, which was my guest bedroom transformation video, please go watch that. I worked really hard on it and I'd love it if you guys would go watch it and let me know what you think. It's a long and then probably way too much information for you guys, but I just wanted to explain why my house is this bad, because we have a lot of work to get done. And I've got a coffee, so we are good to go. And it's actually one of my dog's birthdays today, so we just finished taking her birthday pictures, so I'll put those on the screen for you guys. And yeah, I think that's all I had to update you guys on. So we're gonna go ahead, I'll show you what the house looks like and we'll start cleaning. Before we do that, if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me to have you guys in my little YouTube family here. All right, so that is officially it. Let's go ahead and clean. All right, so this is what we're currently working with. Like I told you, it was a disaster. She thinks I'm taking a picture of her. But yeah, we just had her little birthday photo shoot, so all that stuff's out. There's the birthday girl. And yeah, this is what my living room looks like. It's a wreck. And then there's laundry, stuff from Walmart I just got for the trip that I need to put away and organize. I haven't even had time to make my fireplace cover yet, so that's just sitting there. And then yeah, it's just a mess. So we have a lot of work cut out for us, but we're gonna go ahead and get it all done together. Okay, so we're starting off in the living room today. I'm going to be picking up everything, putting away the laundry that has just been sitting in the floor, and just going through some of the stuff that I bought from Walmart that's sitting in one of those chairs. So of course there's always a bunch of dishes I need to take to the sink, and yeah, so we're just gonna start picking up, as you guys will see, and getting this room a little more tidy. I've been enjoying picking up some things from Walmart lately. I just love some of their selections of things. Like I got my husband some really cute flip-flops for $9. I got some adorable house shoes that are right on trend right now. I got just things for our vacation. We need some sunscreen, all for really affordable prices when you go. Like I still love Target, but you just can't beat some things at Walmart. As you can see, when I leave laundry on the floor, my dogs have to lay on it. I have to vacuum so often just because it is summer and my dogs are all shedding, so there's always dog hair to be cleaned up. So moving to the kitchen, we're going to start by unloading and reloading the dishwasher. I had a lot of dishes to put away and then a lot more to load. So that's what we're going to do real quick. And then I'll just be putting up some things, cleaning up the stove that was really, really messy this day, and wiping down all my countertops to make sure they're nice and sanitary. sink, I have a little riser with a candle, my dish soap, and a plant mister, and then behind that is my Alexa. And I love this candle from DW Home called Lava. I actually just picked up another one at Home Goods, and it is my favorite smell for the kitchen. It just smells so good, and the candles are really reasonably priced. Our kitchen is always a hot spot for just collecting all sorts of junk and stuff. When we come in, we just put it on the kitchen countertops. I've actually been thinking about painting my countertops using the marble countertop paint kit. I don't know if you guys have heard of that, but I've seen a lot of videos on it, and I'm thinking it might be worth a try, especially since we want to replace these countertops anyway one day. So let me know if you guys have ever tried that or heard of it, and if you think I should give it a go on my channel.
Close till I get up. Time is
Not putting too much effort into our bedroom today because we were about to go out of town for a couple days. So I just wanted to make the bed, pick up a little bit, and then of course vacuum. So when we come back, it's nice and fresh. I hate leaving the house dirty and messy and then coming home to that after you've been gone for a while. That's like the worst thing to do in my opinion. I love coming home to a freshly cleaned room and a made bed.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I think you guys can even see how much dog hair was behind this door. It is absolutely insane how I can vacuum almost every single day and I still find clumps everywhere in my house. Room spray by the Casa Luna brand from Target is my new obsession. I love it so much. I think it was $10 for the whole bottle of room spray, and I don't think I will ever run out. It is so strong and it smells so good, and they have a variety of scents to choose from, and I really love the packaging.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
I'm pouring some Mr. Clean into some hot water in the sink to make some like soapy water, and then we're going to wipe down the sink area. Pretty much everything in the bathroom is going to get nice and wiped down. We're going to clean the bathtub, the toilet, and then I usually clean and scrub the shower really good while I'm actually in the shower because it's just easier, and obviously I can't film that.
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
My bathtub always gets that ring of like residue from my makeup because I will take off my makeup while I'm in the bathtub usually, and I just actually used a little bit of toilet bowl cleaner because it had some bleach in it and I was out of bleach, so I wanted to use that. And then I will actually just pour some Mr. Clean in the bathtub with some hot water and then run the jets for a few minutes because I feel like it'll clean out the jets a little bit better.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I've been considering getting one of those like disposable Clorox toilet wands where you can just drop the little thing in it. I know it creates a little bit more waste, but I really hate cleaning the toilet and then having that same brush and just using that over and over. So let me know if you recommend getting those like disposable little toilet wands, and I will pick one up in the future. The next chore I'm really bad about is Windexing our bathroom mirror. I don't know why I'm so bad about this. I need to get more in a routine of cleaning this mirror, but I finally did it today, and then we're going to actually Windex the mirror in our bedroom because I like the bathroom one. It's been neglected, and I will show you guys how much dog hair is on the mirror. Like, there's literally dog hair on a mirror. It's so crazy to me. You can see all the hair that collects, but we gave this a really good cleaning, and now it looks so much nicer. all because I'm hanging this little cane and rattan wall hook thing I got from Kirkland's. This was on sale for $11 and I thought it was super cute, and I'm going to be styling this in a future video. I always use this laser level for so many projects and it's always worth it. So I'm going to just hang this up super quick and then I'll style it in a future video. And now we have a ton of laundry to tackle. I actually got all the laundry done before vacation because I wanted to make sure we had enough clothes for when we were leaving. So that's all the laundry, and I'm just gonna sit here and fold this for the next few minutes for you guys. So if you have laundry to fold, this is a great time to pull it out and do it with me. Moving on to the guest room, these fan blades were atrocious and I couldn't get it to focus on it, but you can already see how much dust is up there. So we're going to be cleaning all these fan blades off before my little brother comes and stays at our house. It was so nasty, and I always use an old pillowcase just so I don't get any of that dust dripping on down into the guest bed. I hate for that dust to be falling all over the room. Do a whole video on how I prepare for guests, but just for my little brother, I wanted to make him feel at home, so I left him a towel, washcloth, and then a bar of soap on the bed for him, just so he knew exactly what he could use. And of course he's open to use anything else in the house, but I always think this is a nice little gesture when you have guests coming over. But like I said, I'd love to do a whole dedicated video for how I prepare for guests. There are some things I do to make my guests feel at home that I would love to share with you guys. Now I'm using my Chom Chom roller on this bedspread because there's always dog hair on it, and just putting a few finishing touches on this room, and then I'm going to be spraying it down with that room spray I used earlier from Target just to make it feel complete and ready for guests. So that is all for this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.